What if I told you that you could make money while you're sleeping, eating, or even watching this video? Welcome back to Neuro Profit AI, the only channel dedicated to helping you master your finances with the power of technology. Today we are about to do something absolutely insane. We are going to unlock the secrets to building wealth in Canada without lifting a finger. I've spent countless hours and thousands of dollars researching and testing every app out there. This isn't clickbait, this is your financial future. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 10 passive income apps for Canadians in 2025. Top 10 Passive Income Apps for 2025. We're going to break down exactly how each one works, how much money you can realistically make, and which one is perfect for you. I'm literally giving you the blueprint to financial freedom. Forget everything you thought you knew about making money. This is the new way. App 1, Wealth Simple. Alright, first up, we have the undisputed champion of Canadian fintech, Wealth Simple. This isn't just an app, it's a financial revolution in your pocket. Imagine having a team of expert financial advisors working for you 24/7, managing your investments, and growing your wealth, all without you ever having to make a single trade. That's Wealth Simple Invest. You just answer a few questions about your risk tolerance. Their algorithm and AI builds a diversified portfolio. Stocks, bonds, from all over the world. It's like having a Wall Street pro on speed dial, but it costs you almost nothing. It's automated investing at its absolute finest. Wealth Simple automatically rebalances your portfolio. It buys low and sells high, and it reinvests your dividends. This is compound interest on steroids. While everyone else panics about the market, your Wealth Simple account quietly, consistently grows your money. Set it and forget it. You could be on a beach in Tofino while the app works harder than your 9-to-5. Game changer for anyone intimidated by investing. Not ready for stocks? They have Wealth Simple Cash. High-interest savings account crushes big bank rates. Earn interest on emergency funds or your savings for a down payment, passively. You deposit your money, it grows. Day after day, week after week. Security is top tier, CIPF protection. Your money isn't just growing, it's incredibly safe. This is the foundational app every Canadian needs to download, period. An ecosystem designed to make you wealthy. Invest your first $100 or manage a six-figure portfolio. Wealth Simple has the tools to work your money. UI so clean and simple, a 10-year-old could figure it out. They've removed all the barriers, all the excuses. There's no reason not to be earning passive income with this app right now. It's powerful, it's secure, and it's built for Canadians who are serious about building long-term wealth without the headache. This is your first step to financial freedom. App 2, Koho. Next on our list is an app that literally pays you for the spending you're already doing. This is Koho. Forget your old-school bank debit card. Koho is a reloadable prepaid Visa card and an app that's designed to help you save money effortlessly. Every time you swipe, already tap, or use your Koho card online, you get instant cashback. Not complicated point systems, not waiting months for a check. Real cash, deposited right back into your account. It's like getting a discount on everything you buy. From your morning coffee to your monthly bills. Think about how much money you spend every single month. Now imagine getting a percentage of all of that back, automatically. That's passive income you earn just by living your life. Koho offers up to 2% cashback on groceries, transportation, and more. It adds up to hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year. It's found money. The app's budgeting tools show you exactly where your money is going. This app actively makes you a smarter spender. They have a feature called Power Up. Round up to the nearest dollar, $2, $5, $10, and stash that extra cash into savings. You won't even notice the small amounts leaving your account. You'll be shocked how quickly your savings balance grows, a digital piggy bank that fills itself up. You can earn interest on your entire Koho account balance. Cashback plus Power Up starts earning its own passive income, a checking account, a savings tool, a cashback card, all rolled into one. No monthly fees on the basic plan. If you're using a traditional bank debit card in Canada, switching to Koho is a no-brainer. You are literally leaving free money on the table if you don't. App 3, Mocha and Milo. What if I told you that every time you bought a coffee, you were also buying a tiny piece of Apple or Amazon? That's the magic of our third app, Mocha. Mocha was acquired by Wealth Simple, making it more powerful. Mocha is built on micro-investing. It connects to your bank and credit cards. It automatically rounds up purchases to the nearest dollar. That spare change you'd lose in your car or couch gets invested. Imagine buying a latte for $4.25. Mocha takes the extra 75 cents and invests it. It's so small you never feel it. Over weeks, months, years, those tiny investments add up to a mountain of money. The process is seamless. You link your accounts. Choose a portfolio. Conservative, aggressive. That's it. Mocha does the rest. Set it and forget it. The app invests spare change into ETFs. You get a piece of thousands of companies around the globe. Diversification manages risk and drives steady, long-term growth. Want to supercharge savings? Recurring investments, weekly deposits of $10, in addition to your roundups. Multipliers, double, triple, 10 times. Mocha, now part of Wealth Simple, makes investing accessible, automatic, painless. It turns your spending into an engine for wealth, the ultimate passive income tool for, I'll start tomorrow. With Mocha, you start today. If you like the idea of Mocha, you're going to be very interested in our next app, Milo. Milo operates on the exact same brilliant principle of investing your spare change. It's another Canadian-made app designed to make investing effortless for everyone. It's like having a personal, wealth-building assistant quietly working in the background, turning your daily spending into a powerful investment strategy. Your dollar-cost averaging into the market without even knowing it. Milo offers a range of portfolios managed by TacTex Asset Management. Answer a few simple questions, get a portfolio tailored to your goals and risk tolerance, including socially responsible investing options, recurring deposits, and a roundup multiplier to help you invest even faster. You just need to start. App 4, EQ Bank, Neo Financial, and Tangerine. The big banks in Canada have been getting away with murder for years, offering you savings accounts with laughably low interest rates like 0.01%. That's not a savings account, that's a storage locker for your money. Now, enter the king of high-interest savings, EQ Bank. This is not a gimmick, it's a digital-only bank with no expensive physical branches, so it passes savings directly to you as some of the highest, most consistent interest rates in Canada. This is where your emergency fund should live. With EQ Bank's Savings Plus account, your money isn't just sitting there, it's actively working for you 24/7. Every dollar earns high interest with no minimum balance and no monthly fees. Interest is calculated daily and paid monthly so you can watch your passive income grow. This is the safest, easiest passive income, guaranteed money. EQ Bank is more than a savings account, it's a financial hub. Pay bills, send Interact e-transfers for free, deposit checks from your phone. It works like a checking account but with the interest of a top-tier savings account. For longer guaranteed returns, EQ Bank offers competitive GICs, short to multi-year terms, predictable, risk-free passive income. Perfect for a house down payment or a new car. Simple, secure, effective. Get ready. Massive disruptor in the Canadian banking scene. Neo Financial, reimagining what a bank can be. Backed by the co-founders of Skip the Dishes, these guys know how to build a user-friendly platform that people love. Neo attacks passive income two ways: insanely high cashback rewards and a high-interest savings account. This is banking for the digital age. First, the Neo Card. It's a MasterCard with some of the most ridiculous cashback rates I have ever seen. We're talking about an average of 5% cashback, with some partners offering even more, across thousands of partners in Canada. Instant cashback, tap, and bam, reward in your account. Use rewards to pay your balance, or let them stack. The app map shows boosted offers nearby. It gamifies saving, and turns every purchase into meaningful passive income. On top of that, the Neo Money account combines the flexibility of checking with high-yield interest. Pay bills, send, receive, e-transfers, earn on every penny. A two-pronged attack on lazy money. You can't have a conversation about innovative banking in Canada without mentioning the original disruptor, Tangerine. As one of the first successful digital banks, they paved the way and remain a powerhouse for passive income. Tangerine is owned by Scotiabank. It blends digital convenience with big bank security. Their forward banking delivers tools that grow your money automatically. Savings accounts are known for promotional and competitive rates. The automatic savings program lets you set rules: $50 every payday, $10 every Monday. So pay yourself for reimburse first. Investment funds ideal for beginners. 5 portfolios from balanced income to equity growth with rebalancing handled. All in one, checking, no monthly fee, pays interest, savings, cashback credit cards, investment accounts. The app is polished and shows your full financial picture. For Canadians wanting high interest and low fees, with big bank backing, Tangerine is unbeatable. App 5, Rakuten Canada. This next one is honestly the easiest money you will ever make. It's so simple, it almost feels like cheating, you know? I'm talking about Rakuten Canada. This isn't an investing app or a bank account. It's a platform that actually gives you cash back for the online shopping you're already doing. If you've ever bought anything online without using Rakuten, I'm sorry to tell you that you have literally thrown away free money. But hey, don't worry. After today, that's never going to happen again. This is your secret weapon for every online purchase. Here's how it works. Before you buy from Amazon, Walmart, Canadian Tire, Indigo, or hundreds more, go to the Rakuten website or app. Find the store, click the link, get redirected. That's it. Shop as normal. Because you clicked through Rakuten, they get a commission and share it with you as cashback. Rates range from 1% to over 10% with frequent promos. Think about all the things you buy online: clothes, electronics, gifts, travel, even food delivery. Now imagine getting a percentage of all that back. It adds up incredibly fast. You're not spending more, just one extra 5-second step. Or, install the browser extension. It pops up and reminds you to activate cash back. The extension does the work for you. They pay you every 3 months, either through PayPal or with a big fat check mailed to your house. For every Canadian who shops online, signing up is mandatory. It's free money. It's that simple. App 6, Airbnb. Alright, let's shift gears from apps that save you pennies to a strategy that can earn you thousands. We're talking about Airbnb. This is a more active form of passive income, but the potential returns are massive. If you're a Canadian who owns a house, a condo, or rents an apartment with a spare room, you're sitting on a potential goldmine. Turn that unused space into cash flow. Not just big cities, Toronto, Vancouver, tourist towns, even regular suburbs. Got a spare bedroom collecting dust? Listed on Airbnb, earn hundreds or even thousands a month. Going on vacation for 2 weeks? Rent your place out and have your vacation paid for. And then some. This is house hacking at its finest. Cleaning, messaging guests, check-ins. And yes, it can be, but we make it passive. Smart locks for keyless entry, professional cleaning between stays, template and scheduled messages. Or hire a co-host or property manager. For a percentage, they handle everything. Listing, guest communication, cleaning, maintenance. Your job. Watch deposits hit your account. It's a powerful way to generate life-changing passive income from real estate, even with one property. More setup up front, but the payoff can be astronomical. App 7, Honeygain. We've made it to the final, and maybe the most unusual passive income app on our list, Honeygain. This one is truly wild. What if you could get paid for the internet you're already paying for but not using? That's exactly what Honeygain does. Most of us have unlimited plans, but use a fraction. Honeygain lets you securely share unused connection for pay. Download to your computer, Mac, or smartphone. Sign in. That's it. It runs silently in the background. It uses a tiny portion of bandwidth. You won't notice it. Your internet speed and browsing won't be affected. The app just sits there, quietly earning you money, turning bandwidth into cash. Used for SEO monitoring, price comparison, brand protection. Companies need to see the web from different locations. Honeygain has a strict privacy policy, doesn't track personal data, only your IP and a sliver of bandwidth for legitimate business. It's safe and secure. Now, let's be realistic. You're not going to get rich. This won't replace your job. But you can earn an extra $20 to $50 a month. Install on multiple devices to increase earnings. Hit $20 and get paid via PayPal or in Bitcoin. It's free, effortless money that can pay for your Netflix subscription or a few coffees every month. For zero effort, that's a deal I'll take every single day. And there you have it. The top 10 most powerful passive income apps that every single Canadian needs to know about for 2025. We've covered everything from automated investing with Wealthsimple to getting paid for your spare internet with Honeygain. The tools are here, the knowledge is yours. The only thing stopping you from building a wealthier future is taking that first step. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Pick 1 or 2 apps that resonated with you and download them right now. Your future self will thank you for it. Thank you so much for spending your time with me here at Neuro Profit AI. I poured everything I had into making this the most valuable financial video you'll see this year. If you got any value out of this at all, I have one simple favor to ask. Destroy that like button. Click subscribe. And make sure you turn on that notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we dive even deeper into making money with AI and mastering your finances. Your engagement helps the channel grow and allows me to create even bigger and better content for you. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, but it starts with a single step. You have the roadmap now. Go out there and start building your passive income empire. We're on this journey together. And as always, for anyone who needs them, subtitles are available so you can catch every single detail. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.